Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Utrefon. Today I want to show you how to make fried rice, and this is all the ingredient I'm going to be using. And if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share this video with friends and family. So this is my rice which I'm going to be using. I'm using 2.5 cups of rice and my vegetable, green pea and carrot, and I have my bell pepper, and I have my sweet corn. This is my oil, my onion, my butter. So I'm gonna use butter on this, and this is my thyme, Nigerian thyme, and this is my curry powder, and this is my spicy for fried rice. So this is what I'm gonna be using to make this fried rice, and my knorr cube. So this is all I'm gonna be needing right now, so let's get into it. So to make a perfect fried rice, I will need my chicken stock, which I'm cooking my chicken right now. So guys, I just removed the chicken. So this is the chicken stock. I'm gonna add water to it. So now I'm gonna add my spicy for fried rice. So I'm gonna add it inside the chicken stock. If you don't want to add this, you can only use curry. So I'm adding 3 parts. So mix it together. So now I'm gonna add my rice. This rice, I soak it in the hot water. I didn't boil it, so I just use hot water to wash it, and I soak it. So add your rice after you add your spicy. If you're stirring it together, don't let this spoon to overgo inside the bottom of the pot, so that the rice would not burn. Okay, so now we'll come back after 15 minutes. So guys, I'm gonna check. So the rice is ready and is soft now. So the next step is gonna be, so I have added my oil. So I'm gonna add my butter. This butter will make the rice shiny, and it will not make it stick together, so it will make it separate. So that's the reason why I'm using butter. So after that, I'm gonna add my onion. I'm gonna add my bell pepper. So I'm gonna add my green pea and carrot. And I'm gonna add my sweet corn. Then I'll mix all together. So at this point, if you like spicy, this is the time to add your spicy. So I added it with the stock chicken, so that's why I don't want to add spicy here again. So I'm gonna be adding curry and my thyme. So stir it together. Remember, if you want to use the sachet fried rice recipe, so there is Maggi on it already, so you adding the rice together, that means the Maggi has automatically go inside, okay? So it's gonna taste okay. So you have to be careful when you add more seasoning here, so that it will not be salty. So I'm gonna cover it to cook. So now I'm gonna be adding my prawn. I'll mix it together. So I'm gonna add my nut cube. Mix it together. Add a little bit of salt, very little. So I just transfer some of the vegetable out of the fried pan. So now I'm gonna add my rice to fry it. As you can see, the rice is shining because of the butter I put, so it doesn't make the rice stick together. As you can see, it's 1-1. So you keep on stirring it. I'm gonna test it. So you will continue like this until you fry all the rice. So guys, this is my fried rice. It is finished in less than 1 hour. Everything is ready. So this is a perfect way to make fried rice. This is Nigerian fried rice. If you want to make a party fried rice, this is the best way how to go about it. So if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and share this video with your friends and loved ones, and leave a comment below and let me know how you make your own fried rice. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. I love you. Bye.